What up world, it's BK here, and in this video we're going to remove the door card on our 2007 Toyota Yaris. The biggest pain is getting off the manual window if you have one. This job you're going to want a few tools. You need some thin thing to pry it up and like a flathead screwdriver, probably even smaller than this. What's going on is there's a snap ring around the gears that are holding the handle to the door, and you have to unsnap that ring in order to get it to unlock. It's difficult to see it as well. So there's the snap ring, I believe. That piece of metal. So we're gonna try to get that off. Aha, we got it. Here we go. That is a like super pain. Once it happens, it just pulls out. Next, we want to pry up this trim with our trim pliers. Kind of want to be a little careful so you don't break your clips. This is the stuff I wanted to replace with the black trim in the video when we went to scout the door, because it just looks so much nicer. After that, you have a few screws. There's going to be one here. There's normally one here as well as here, and that one's hidden behind a black piece, but we don't have those. The last one can be found right there. Now that we have all the screws out, we need to pop off the clips on the trim and then pull it straight up. If you'd like to remove this, there are two clips here that hold them together. It just pops up through there, and then there's a ball joint in that. Congratulations, now you know how to remove the door card on a 2007 Toyota Yaris, and pretty much any other Toyota. If you want to know why we're removing the door card, check out this video. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.